Hey traders, Ben Nathan here from Forex Mentor Live. Now we're going to spend a couple of minutes talking about the month of August. Every trader's nightmare. So, as we all know, each year a huge percentage of both retail and institutional traders take the whole month off. Because of this and other factors, summertime can be a very difficult period to trade for both new and experienced traders alike. That doesn't mean, though, that you can't profit from trading Forex during this period. All you need is to be fully prepared. Now, sometimes, for August especially, or the summertime in general, you do have to take an alternative approach. Now, technical trading is widely considered the most popular way to trade, but it does rely on certain elements. Now, we've got recurring patterns, trading volume, liquidity, volatility, other traders, of course, all of which are factors that are heavily reduced throughout the summer period especially. This is why that alternative approach is needed. So, the way to combat this and have a successful August is simply learn to trade the fundamentals. The fundamentals are what move a market at any one time. Of course, you can trade technical and profit from this, but in August and summertime especially, the fundamentals, if you follow those, they're what are going to give you the opportunity to make pips, more so than the technicals. So, with Forex Mentor Live, we're going to be hosting the August Fundamental Bootcamp. So, we're going to spend the entire month teaching all of our members how to trade fundamentally with low risk, high probability, consistent setups. So, how can you benefit from this? Well, each day at 8 o'clock in the morning, we'll be doing a full recap of the previous trading sessions in terms of fundamentally speaking. We're going to be looking at the fundamental position and sentiment of the biggest moving pairs. We'll be looking at the releases due for the session ahead and the best fundamental setups, including stop loss and take profit levels. Now, if you can't be in a room to trade with us, that's fine. We're going to send you full trade alerts of all those levels every day, as and when we spot them. There's going to be in-room support, Q&A throughout the trading sessions, and of course, trade management. That's live trade management because we trade our own live accounts while we teach. Of course, we'll be sharing our elite news feed. And then again, at 1 PM for the New York analysis, we do the same thing again. Okay, so we recap the previous trading session and we look ahead to see the very best fundamental setups throughout the day. Now, we cover both types of trading. That's intraday, so trades where we hold for a longer period of time and catch those bigger moves, but also scalping styles to make sure we can catch those live news releases as well. Very important that we need to be catching these smaller moves throughout these summer months when ADRs are very low, charts are very quiet, and it's more difficult to trade.
So next up on the calendar then, at the turn of the hour, we have the S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index out of the US. The month-to-month change is expected at 0.3 from 0.19%. The year-on-year is expected at 9.9 from 10.82%.
Successful one. As you know already, we did use
the Czech Central Bank does not rule out a longer period of its Koruna cap. That's for the Czech Central Bank on their Koruna cap against the euro.
So what we've done, we've
Euro Koruna currently trading at 27.50.
Into Adobe, and we've managed to free up another 25
Ahead of the S&P Case-Shiller, though, we also have the US Redbook figures for latest week, previously minus 0.3% month-on-month, plus 3.7% the previous year-on-year.
August Bootcamp month, we're going to teach you to master fundamental trading at its best. On top of this, you'll have full access to our technical trading course, where you'll learn exactly how we've made almost 20% this year alone, with an average risk of just 0.3%, using our simple, consistent trading methods. So even when you've mastered fundamental trading throughout the month of August, you can then go ahead and master the technical side as well, and we'll also teach you how to combine the two. You can also benefit, of course, from the live news feed, trade alerts, for live trading chat room. When you first join up, you'll have a one-to-one action plan consultation. So I'll give you a call myself. We'll go through where you've struggled in the past We'll go through the kind of improvements you're looking for, and of course I'll be able to give you an idea of what kind of action plan to follow for this. Of course, we have daily group support as well, and more importantly, live trading. Now, most services out there that you will find, you'll notice when they advertise, they'll be showing you a demo account. That's not the case with Forex Mentor Live. We trade live on our own and client accounts, so you know that we have such faith in the way we're trading, we're investing our own money into them. So you can see you can have all those benefits for 6 months, so you can trade at your leisure and ride the markets with full confidence. The bonus to this is that we're giving free genuine Forex
Again, watching the red book numbers at 55 minutes past the hour,
which will give you the tools needed to perfect your newfound skills on a simulated trading platform. Now, the usual cost for such an in-depth, all-inclusive package, you'll generally find will be between $5,000 and $10,000. It's not a cheap game, but it's the investment you need to, of course, better yourself as a trader. And of course, within your first year of being profitable, you're probably going to make that back anyway, as long as your account's a sufficient size. But Forex Mentor Live cost is just $1,499. Okay, but it gets even better than that, because for those 25
minus
places
0.6
that
and
we
plus
have
2.0%, so lower than the previous for the month, same case for the year on year.
And you can now take advantage of that full package
so
for
the
just
red book numbers report that the reports of sluggish business and unmotivated customers.
Now,
July 2014 store sales are up 3.6%
you know, the last email went out, we had
ago.
around 10 places left. They were gone within about half an hour of the email going out. So the places will go fast. Also, if the offer is going to end at 12 AM on the 1st of August, because that's when the fundamental bootcamp starts, of course, the following day. So it's your chance to jump on board and make August a real success. Of course, the link that you need is in the email you've received or in the YouTube video description. But it's forexmentor.com/live/subscribe 749.php. And we look forward to training you for August, and here's to a successful month.